There's the natural relationship that occurs between town and country. It has happened throughout history, and it's happening again here. Our story will be written around the birth and growth of a genuine Texas town. What we see taking shape before us is a place for everyone, where people come together to show their town spirit and rally around their team on Friday nights, where folks drop in for a community barbecue on the square and browse the handmade goods at the market, where American flags line the street on the 4th of July, and the annual parade brings everyone out to watch the trucks and the vintage cars and the high school band. Welcome to Pecan Square, where the people are friendly, the land is beautiful, and life is good.